Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I am standing out front of another fix and flip we just completed. Again, just like my video from yesterday, it's 99% done. A few things that needed to be done still, but it's almost there. This house I bought from a wholesaler for $150,000. We spent probably $50,000 to $60,000 on the repairs, and I don't have a list price yet, but it should be in the $275 range, I'm thinking. So it should be a good flip. We'll go over all the repairs we did and the numbers. Before we do that, make sure you check out investformore.com. Got much more information on all my flips. Have a fix and flip scoreboard there. You can see all the flips we've bought this year, last year, and a lot the year before with before and after videos. It's investformore.com, invest, F-O-U-R-M-O-R-E.com, and /resources, you can find that, or I think actually /flips, you can find that. So check that out. We bought sold 26 flips last year, bought 27, have bought 4 so far this year at the end of January, and sold 3, I believe. So this house had hardwood floors under the carpets. If you check out the before video, you can see what the house looked like originally. We'll have that in the description for the video, or you can also find it on my playlist on YouTube for before and after fix and flip properties. So pulled out the carpet, refinished the hardwood, repainted, replaced a lot of the windows. This right here is kind of a bay window that we just replaced with a nice regular window, replaced that awning, repainted the exterior. The roof was actually already done, so we have to do that, but we had to do some major foundation work, which is one of the reasons why this cost so much. Oh, here's the kitchen, which we redid. Nikki, who's my project manager, and I both are not sure how much we like these cabinets. We can't figure out if they look dated or fancy, but I don't think we're gonna use them again. But all new cabinets, new countertops, new appliances, new tile floor here. Has 3 bedrooms up, so that first bedroom had hardwood. The back 2 bedrooms back here have carpet. Here's the bathroom that was completely redone. And here's the second bedroom back here. I don't know if you can see it, but that window is cracked. We're not sure if that happened from foundation work or what, but that's on order to get that fixed. New doors. This room, new carpet. I know a lot of you like the shag carpet that was in here before, but we did not keep that, sorry. And this one has kind of funky closets. Put on new doors, just put shelves in the middle one. Well, that's what that looks like. And we'll take a look back here. Here's kind of the mudroom, laundry room. So we reconfigured the washer dryer hookups to be in one spot. One was kind of over in this corner and one was over in that corner. Didn't make a lot of sense. They also had some cabinets and counters in here, and we thought it just made more sense to have more room, more space for the washer and dryer there. And then the basement, which I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see down here. There aren't a whole lot of lights. Oh, there we go. So this had some major foundation problems, and we ended up having concrete contractor come in, replace that wall, replace that wall, and replace that wall. So they had to lift up the house a little bit to do all that. While we were at it, we put in an egress window just in case someone wants to finish this basement space. It's about 16 or 18,000 to do all that work. It was quite a bit. So that's where a majority of our costs came from. Here's the furnace, hot water heater. We also had to do some electrical work, some plumbing work. So quite a bit on this house. But this should be worth quite a bit as well. Now back, they still just poured a concrete pad there, so they're gonna come take that off soon. It'll be ready to go. Here's our garage. We just got new garage doors, and the contractor left all his junk laying in the yard, so that didn't make me real happy, but he's got to come clean that up. And here's the big garage, new garage doors. Just painted everything white, didn't do anything fancy in here. That's that. And then a little shed back here. They got painted. Again, they left a little bit of trash, which drives me crazy. They need to come get that. And one of our contractors said he's gonna take that boat, but he never did. So he needs to come get that boat. So that's the property. It's got a big lot, big garage, decent sized house, and very few houses for sale in this area. So it should sell pretty quickly. We'll get it listed here today or tomorrow and keep moving on to the next properties. You can see my shoes right there because I sank into the mud. Didn't want to get the house all dirty. But yep, thanks for watching. Again, make sure you check out investormore.com if you want to see all the numbers of my flips, information on being an agent, rental properties, all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos from me. We're doing quite a few of them now. So we have 18 flips going right now. And thanks for watching.